Okay, we'll get started. Okay, one second. We'll get started with today's short session. It's not a class because we already finished everything yesterday. So today is the class where we will be talking about the assignment. So even if people are not joining this class, it's completely okay because we will be sending out this recording to you over mail. On top of that, we will be explaining everything there only. Okay. But yeah, people who are attending for them, you can get details from this class. So we'll try to wrap up this call in next 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be just talking about the assignment which we will be giving you because this is going to be, yesterday was the official last class for Tableau. Now today, you have to work on some assignment. Now, what exactly is going to be the assignment? I do have assignment for you all. So this is the data that I have. I hope my screen is visible. So this is a stock market analysis data, and the data along with the description will be passed on to you. Just for your reference, I can also send you this stock market analysis dashboard as well. But I strongly recommend you to create your own version of it. And this dashboard is not good looking as well because it is by one of my students. So the dashboard is not great, but at least it will help you to identify in which direction you should start working on. Okay, so I'll definitely give you this dashboard, but take as much as less reference from this dashboard as possible. We'll quickly go through this documentation to explain you about the problem. The problem is very simple. It's a stock market data. Stock market analysis is the project of technical analysis visualization using data provided by Google Finance. By looking at data from the stock market, particularly from giant technology stocks and others, finally looked at a few ways of analyzing the risk of the stock based on its previous performance history. So basically, it is a stock related data, and I will be giving you data for all these companies. Okay, there's a huge data here. AAL, AAP, all these are short forms of various companies. Honestly speaking, I have zero knowledge in stock market, but I know that these are different companies for whom we have data. So your ultimate goal is to read these files to your Tableau, and then you can start working on your dashboard. You could probably do some sort of line charts to show how the trend is. You can also do some sort of total volume, average volume for each category of the data that you have. So try to use some of your knowledge, whatever you can, just try it out. And this is all about this particular assignment. Now this is a generic assignment to you all, but we are going to make it an open assignment, which basically means that you are not limited to use this data. In case you don't have anything in your mind, you can probably start with this data. But let's say you already have some data in your mind. Let's say some people are coming from multiple backgrounds, right? Can we have who is from which background in the chat box? Like if you're coming from HR, marketing, or e-commerce, or education, or edutech, any kind of background, let me know in the chat box so that I can give you better examples on what I'm talking about. Can you write down your domains in the chat box? If you're a student, then just mention student. If you're coming from e-commerce background, marketing, oil and gas, education, IT consultancy, okay, travel, good. Okay. So for travel, there is a great data source. I will quickly show you Airbnb dashboard data. Airbnb already has some data sets. Which website was that? 1 second. Yeah, this one. 1 second. Let me share the screen in a second. So yeah. So this is your research work. Okay. The assignment is open assignment, which basically means that the assignment is open assignment, which basically means that if you are coming from a certain background, for example, you're coming from travel background, it always makes sense if you try to get a data set from your background, right? And take that data set and then build a Tableau dashboard on top of it. If you're coming from IT background or a consultancy background, probably try to check which domain your clients are from. If not, let's say you're coming from HR background, HR related data, e-commerce background, e-commerce related data. So you simply have to search few keywords and you will definitely get those data sets. Let's say e-commerce data for dashboard, or else e-commerce data for EDA. If you search like this, you will come across multiple websites like Kaggle or GitHub. Simply go to that link. You will have to go to the data section and then you will definitely find the data. Then you have to just download this data. In order to download, you can create an account. I already am logged in, so I can download the data. So download the data and quickly start working on that particular. Okay, it's not, something is wrong. 1 second. So data. So this is the data that we have just downloaded, and this is how the data looks like. So you just have to need to know the correct keywords to search data. Once you have the data, then you can quickly start analyzing the data and start working on the Tableau dashboard. This is what my expectations are. In worst case scenario, if you don't find data, then you can use the data which I am giving to you and create a dashboard on top of it. That's going to be your assignment. So as an assignment submission, you will have to provide us your Tableau workbooks. So whenever you are working on Tableau, you just simply have to save that file. When you save the Tableau file, you save it as two different versions, right? For example, this is my Tableau file. This will not work because my MySQL workbench is not turned on. Simply you have to save your file, and that particular file you have to send as a zip. Just make a zip out of it, and then you can send it to us. Just save it. It will be saved in two formats, TW and TWBX. You can use any of them, but TWBX is recommended. Once you save it, then just right click, send it to a compressed zip folder, and that zip folder you can upload your assignments. For submitting the assignments, the official deadline is tomorrow 6 p.m. But there is no hard and fast rule for that. You can take your time, submit it by the end of Sunday, or probably by the first half of Monday max. Officially, it is better if you submit it by tomorrow end of the day. So that is all about this particular assignment. At the end, after this class is over, we will quickly send you the data in a zip folder, and we'll also send you this description and this file for reference. In case anybody has any questions, let me know. If you need some ideas on how to find data with respect to your domain, you just have to use your domain name. Let's say HR related data or e-commerce related data. You just have to search e-commerce data and then just use this keyword called as EDA. EDA basically means exploratory data analysis. Once you type, you will find data and then download it, use that data and try to create a Tableau dashboard. This is the assignment for you all. So I'll keep this call open for maybe 5 minutes more. In case you have any questions, you can let me know, or else you can wind up the call. And good luck to you to submit the assignments. Once your assignments are submitted, our team will go through each and every assignment, will give you feedbacks, and people who have submitted will be eligible for a certificate as well, I think. So that's all about this particular week. I hope everybody enjoyed Tableau. We'll also come up with similar kind of 7-day challenges or some sort of other workshops or some sort of webinars, and we'll also keep you in loop on these kind of announcements when we have. So that is all about today's class. There is no official class for today. I just wanted to discuss the assignment. So I'll keep the call open for any doubts. In case you have any questions, let us know. In case anybody wants to jump into the next, you are serious and you want to jump into data analytics, data science, you want to know more about the boot camps and all those things, I mean, I'm here, so you can ask me anything that you want. The day 3 slides are missing in the Google Drive. Could you kindly re-upload? Day 3 slides. Okay, I need to ask Alio. Okay, feel free to ask questions, guys. I mean, we are not studying today, so maybe if you have any questions related to anything, ask. Related to your career, related to anything. Nothing? Okay, thank you. Feel free to ask on Discord if possible. See you guys. If you are joining the bootcamp, see you there. If not, we'll see you in some other 7-day challenges or other workshops. Till then, bye-bye. And expect a mail from our team within a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. And I look forward to see all of your assignments. Bye-bye.